In the first panel, how to use the first panel setting for your domain, for your new website. That is first panel website. You can see this setting. In the setting, there is setting content and setting HTTPS. Others you can change here. You can redirect where you need to redirect www and direct main domain. Login setting, hourly or daily, weekly. So HTTP authentication, you can use authentication. The others, no one can use your website, access your website without the login HTTPS authorization. You can you set up this. And backend, when you continue the backend, this is the PHP, and you can use the first CG, first FM, PHP, FPM. That's the HTTP function, working subdomain. And you can security. The security, you can use the limit. So per minute, 1 request per minute, 10 request or 100 request or 50 request. So you can set up to website security, so no other spot or others, everything you cannot. You can use this security, so no one can hit this website, the others, this limitation. So you can use this limitation for the security purpose. You can use this.